You need to watch this if you've ever wondered about flamingos. Flamingos get their pink color from their diet of algae and shrimp. Believe it or not, there are 6 species of flamingos, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. These birds are known for their one-legged stance, which helps them conserve body heat. Flamingos are surprisingly good at flying, reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. How fitting is that? If you found these flamingo facts fascinating, drop a comment below with your favorite one. And hey, why not join the flock by hitting that subscribe button? Stay curious, folks.